Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste the link in here and click on convert, then make money like this, or like this. Listen, if you want to make money on YouTube Shorts simply re-uploading videos without making your own videos, without showing your face, and without even using your own voice, then you're on the right video. TikTok has been blowing up, so YouTube is pushing their YouTube Shorts videos harder than ever before. This is good for you because you can grow extremely fast and literally get over 100,000 views in a single day with very few subscribers if you know what you're doing. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts and get paid tens of thousands of dollars, and at the end I'll share 1 bonus monetization strategy. So if you want to make YouTube videos without showing your face, specifically YouTube Shorts, that is very hot right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Look at this channel here called Auto Pro Cars. They got 3.7 million views the last 30 days, and you can see that they're completely blowing up right now. And what they're posting videos about is literally luxury cars, all right? So is this your dream car? Maybe this one Ferrari? Rate the car out of 10. And he shows all these different really cool cars. And this is what I want to talk to you about today, okay? The luxury lifestyle, the billionaire lifestyle that is extremely easy to do, and you don't even need to make your own content. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that without getting any copyright strike, without showing yourself on camera or talking into the microphone whatsoever. And you got to check this out, 9-Figure Life. They are getting 425,000 views the last 30 days, you know, making over 15,000 views each and every day right here. Now, these people don't really post that many shorts, but I'll tell you that this is one of the monetization strategies I need to talk to you about later in this video. Now, I got a couple more channels, like for example, Luxury Cars Hub. These only post shorts and got 261,000 views the last 30 days. This one, Voishins Media, they got 2 million views the last 30 days. And let me show you the biggest one, that is Car Talk. They got 156,000 subscribers, over 172 million views, and the last month they got 64 million views. And look at this graph right here. They started literally 4 months ago, and now they're making probably a full-time living just posting this super easy content that you can see right here. Pranking cop with fake beer prank. Everyone needs this for their brake lights. Every time I try to picture of my cars, all of these things, and they're posting literally, you know, 4 or 5 times a day sometimes about this car niche. And this is obviously not only on YouTube Shorts, you can cross promote on TikTok. Like for example here, if you just search luxury car in the top, this one 200,000 views, this one literally has 23 million views, this one 16 million, 1.3 million here. So now you understand that this is a very hot niche that you can get started in very quickly and gain success on YouTube Shorts and monetize in many different ways, so you can make thousands of dollars online with this strategy. So I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do this right now. Just drop a like on this video in appreciation, tickle that hairy subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to stay to the end to not miss the bonus monetization strategy that is incredibly important for you not to miss. Step number 1, get the footage. So one of the strategies could be to download TikTok videos and then of course give them credit in the description down below. And today I want to show you a different strategy that you can do right now. So go to youtube.com and search for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. So this is the official Rolls-Royce YouTube channel. Now, as you can imagine, you can take clips from this, like for example, London to Edinburgh Top Gear trial with this amazing, beautiful old car right here, and you could use that in your own video. The same you can do with Lamborghini here, with beautiful cars, beautiful footage that you can turn into a short. And the last one, obviously, take a look at Mercedes-Benz. You could also do Ferraris, and you can turn these videos into shorts. And you might be asking, aren't they gonna copyright strike me? Well, the thing is, of course not. They want people to talk about their cars desperately. That's good marketing for them. And if you literally, quote unquote steal, quote unquote download, copy and paste these videos, they will love that. You're just spreading their word out for their amazing cars for free. They don't even have to work a single minute for you to do marketing for them, right? So this is definitely a win-win for the car brand. So right here on the Lamborghini YouTube channel, you can see that this one got around 800,000 views. So it seems pretty good. Now you just copy this one, copy link address, then go to yt1s.com, paste that right in here and click on convert. Make sure you're at 1080p and then get link. Now just click on download. Step number 2, turn it into a YouTube short. Now what you need to do is search for TikTok right here. Click on the TikTok video and then create a blank TikTok video. It's important that you do this because you will get this video thing in the bottom, and you don't get that if you don't click on the TikTok template. Now just drag the video we just downloaded right into the timeline here. Then we're gonna reframe the actual video. Now we're just gonna push all the way to a frame that we actually like. So I already did this, and I do like this kid actually looking at this beautiful car right here, and then it changes right to red. So this is pretty attention grabbing. So we're gonna have a look at the kid opening the actual thing right here. So you can see that it ends with the car driving across here, and then it ends right there at the end of this clip. And the video will look something like this. He opens the thing, then he actually builds the car, and then they drive the car. Easy stuff right there. Step number 3, add some text. So we're just gonna click on the back here, then we're gonna change it to black. And one of the biggest things that I see with beginner YouTubers, or especially shorts, is that they don't ask them to subscribe at the end of the short. This is incredibly important because if they watch this, let's say you get 1 million views on this, but nobody subscribes, well, then you kind of lost out and they're not going to find you again, unless of course you continue to do great content. But that's one of the biggest mistakes beginner shorts makers do. We're going to click on add heading. Then we're going to add something like, did you see this? And that is going to be throughout the entire video. But right here at the end, we want a subscribe to pop up. So pretty much the last 5 seconds or so, we're gonna right click, then we're gonna click on split, right like that. Then the next step is to go to Google and search for subscribe PNG. Then you're gonna go over to tools, you're gonna click on color and then transparent. Now here you have all these transparent images of a subscribe button, and I actually like this one right here. So click on that, then right click, save image as. Now go back to Canva again, and then make sure you select the last one here and then drag in the subscribe right into here. It might pop up on the left and then we drag it in here, but there we go. Looking fancy right there. So now you can see that this is the short. They pretty much do all the things, and then at the end here, the subscribe button. Now all you need to do is click on the download MP4, select all 2 pages and then download. And I mean, this is pretty easy, right? You could pretty much make like 5 of these a day without any problems. Step number 4, upload the video. Now just go to YouTube and then drag your video right into here. So here we can see that this is the Countach LP500. Let's copy this title and we're gonna change it up a little bit. Then we're gonna write the title right in here, and then we're gonna write, did you see the Lamborghini Countach LP is back? Question mark. Then we're gonna add an emoji in here, maybe sunglasses emoji. Yeah, there we go. Then just make sure you write hashtag shorts in the description. And now I'm going to show you 3 monetization strategies that you can use to make money with this YouTube short. Monetization strategy number 1 is go to clickbank.com. If you can't access ClickBank, go to digistore24.com. If you don't know, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where you can sell hundreds of products and get an affiliate commission for it. Just click on sign up right here and sign in for free. Then you can go to the affiliate marketplace. Here you can see hundreds of different products that you can sell and make money with. But for this product, we would go and find product, search for manifestation, and remember to spell it correctly, sort results by gravity. It pretty much means the highest selling. You can pretty much sell all of this and you will make $24 on this one, $64 on this one. But it's very important that you have an angle which is about making money, right? Because they want a Lamborghini. So some of these are like to get a relationship or to find love or something like that. But this one, manifestation magic, is about actually making money with manifestation. You can see the sales page right here, how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. And you know, some of this is a little bit out there. I know it's a little bit woo-woo, but I would never be where I'm at right now if I didn't manifest. So this is a real product that can help real people get to where they want to be. I think, haven't checked it out, but if they teach manifestation and help people actually manifest, it is a good product. So all you need to do is click right here on promote, enter your account nickname, and then generate hop links. Now this is your affiliate link. If anybody goes through this link and buys from you, you're gonna earn an average of $40 per sale. And now just imagine that you're getting 69 million views like we saw on one of the channels. And I know that $40 isn't that much, but just think about how many views that the channel is getting. So if you're getting like 60 million views, like one of the channels that we saw, you only need a tiny percent of that to buy the product and you will be making over $10,000 per month. Now we're just gonna copy this link right here and then go to bit.ly.com. Just paste your link in here, shorten, and then we can actually customize, brand, and track our links by just getting a free account. Here, just click on create, enter your long link and click on create. And then we can customize it with lux-car. And now this is gonna be our affiliate link. Go back to YouTube again and post it right in the description with the text, want to afford a super car like this. Then click here. Go to Google, search for alt codes, click on this alt code list and find an arrow going to the right. This one is good. Copy. And just like that, you got the first monetization strategy. Now, monetization strategy 2 is going to be teespring.com. Teespring is an easy website where you don't have to make the merch yourself. You're literally using this platform and then all you do is just make the designs. I have videos about this where we made a dog training shirt and we had a lot of cute little puppies and stuff like that. Super simple. Just search a little bit around on YouTube on how to do this. It's literally just put a design on the shirt and then you can sell it in the link in the description. You can make a lot of money with basically, this is called print on demand. Then monetization strategy number 3 is going to be to post longer videos over 8 minutes. This is very simple because you are in the luxury car niche and people really love the luxury lifestyle. And the crazy part is that you don't have to make the videos yourself. Just like this, you can take videos from other places like real estate, yacht companies, cruise ships, and all of that. And I actually have a video where I did all of that. That's on the screen right now. So if you want to learn more in detail about posting longer 8-minute videos, that is perfect for this type of channel.